What are we going to do today? Well, we are going to do a sharpening session for beginners. So I'm going to show you everything, truly everything about how to get this knife sharpened. Actually, this knife has already been sharpened. I'm taping this afterwards, after the fact. Why am I doing this? Because I want to show you something. So as you see on this side, I did a pretty good job. So it's nice and even and there are no large variations. But on this side, you can clearly see that here near the handle, I have taken away less material. So the degree on this side is not as good and it is not as laid back. But at the same time, this does not really impact the slicing capability of this knife. Let me show you. Here's our knife. Voila. It works fine. So we take some water, we put some detergent in there, and that will reduce the surface tension and prevent saturation of the stone. So while sharpening at all times, we keep the wrist locked in. We mainly move back and forth with the body and with the elbow up. And we also keep our thumb on the spine of the blade to keep the correct angle. Let's take a look under the microscope. So what we see here is a very beautiful and clear burr. Here you have a bit larger magnification, and yeah, it's a very, very noticeable burr. Back to the 320 grit stone, we profile the other side of the knife. So we switch to the 600 grit stone, and then we start with alternating passes on each side. So this will help to reduce the burr and ultimately knock it off. Let's take a look under the microscope. So yeah, after using the 600 grit diamond stones, most of the burr has been removed. It's already a pretty clean edge. Okay, it's time to switch to the 1000 grit diamond stone and continue to refine that edge. Let's look under the microscope to see if things have improved. And yes, things have improved hugely. That's a very fine, very clean edge. Still, I think we can further improve things. Let's move to the 3000 grit DMT diamond stone. This is a small one, those are expensive. So while we do this, we use lighter and lighter passes to get a more refined edge. So okay, let's have a look under the microscope again. So yes, you can clearly see it is even finer than the previous microscope picture. Okay, so it's time to move to the 3.5 micron stop. We do the same thing. We do alternating passes and we keep the same angle. After 30-40 passes, we look under the microscope again. And yes, we didn't think it was possible, but the edge is even more refined, very sharp. Time to go to the 1.5 micron diamond stop. So same system, 30-40 passes, and we keep the same angle. Let's take a look under the microscope again. So at this point, we're slowly reaching the limits of my microscope. So yes, the refinement is definitely there, but I don't think it is visible on the microscope anymore. Is the knife sharp? Yes, it is razor sharp, as you've seen in the beginning. If you like this video, please subscribe and do watch my other videos as well.